Howdy partners and Spidey Squad members, my name is Mikhail Conley and welcome to, well, apparently my mess. I'm just kidding. This is sort of I don't want to say new, but I'm just saying this is kind of like a tips and tricks slash, like, news update, I would say. I still am very early in development of my, Lego Iron Man Armored Adventures video. I made like the first scene, I would say, and now I'm making like the big city, so I need to prepare lots of random civilians. That's what I've been doing, all these pieces, all these extra things, like are they holding a phone, something to eat, a slushie, stuff like that, and I'm trying to make as many like policemen and figures and that have like normal faces and ones that switch around, so then they're like scared or angry or anything that happens, because they'll be normal, and then once the stuff happens, you know, I'll have to change their faces, and some can stay upset or happy. I'll just change them as it goes. But the tips and tricks thing here, I'll just put this here because I need to use both my hands. Sorry if this seems a bit weird. And yes, this is my desk. I work around here. I guess this is a semi-room thing. There's lots of this. I kind of prepared the next shot. This is lots of... I am very, very orderly. I recently put everything in place, which is much better. I had everything in like one box, so it was so hard to find everything. Now I just put everything like transparent and one pieces like that are one go in here. This is all related to minifigs, like minifig pieces that go with them. Here's big, these are semi-normal pieces. Those are pieces that have flat parts. And I think over there, those are big and unusual pieces. So I'm very, very, like, I don't know, just showing that off. But the thing I wanted to show you is that there's going to be some action in this video. And I just thought, what if I could do something unique? I haven't really seen this in a stop motion video. I'm just gonna grab a random figure here, so don't worry about him. Hey, this could kind of be John Wick, right? He's in a suit. Anyways, I thought it would be cool to incorporate magazines into guns. So basically, hold on, is this? No, this is low, so this is good. So as I said, hold on, let me see if I can flip. No, I don't know, I'm just trying to make it look a little better. There you go. I guess this is a bit better. Ignore this piece here. So what I was thinking of was that I've been making my own kind of guns. Let me just show you here. I've just been taking lots of pieces, making my own guns here. I do have lots of normal guns, but I thought it would be cool to kind of make my own, which is unique, and plus it actually incorporates into what I'm trying to do here. So basically, you can see here, I'm just using him, he's shooting everything, and once he's done, I thought, like I said, I could incorporate magazines into the gun. So basically, this is a little weird if you're playing on your own, or if, you know, otherwise, but in animation, it'll be easy. So you just animate him grabbing here. I basically took these, whoops, sorry about that. I took dang it, he doesn't want to stay. Ah! There. I took these pieces and calculated them and cut them with a knife. And basically, there are little pieces here, and you can animate him grabbing this, like lifting it. And sorry if this makes noise. You can animate. Oh, whoops, that didn't work. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, it's not working. So basically, you can just. Okay, yeah, you're gonna have to. This is quite hard to get out. Okay, I just used my teeth to get it out because it's really hard. But basically, oh wow, he's got something on his hand there. Okay, let me put it back on his hand. So basically, what you could do is, like, he grabs the magazine from the gun here. You can animate him pulling it out and him dropping it, or you know, you can just make him flick the gun like that, and then the magazine just falls out. You can make an animation, or you can just make him do this. He puts it in his pocket. I don't know. He just drops it. And if you want, if it's a well-framed shot, or you know, if there's too much stuff going on, I made multiple pieces like this for the occasion, so we can see the dropped mags, I guess. But then you can just and I'm very sorry. I'm trying to just see everything, but it goes too high off the camera. So sorry. But basically, and then you just grab him, and you can make it. You can animate it, and make it look like try and look seamless, and then he'll just flick it back in. Let me try and make him let go of it. There you go. And then you can animate him turning the gun, and then he takes the, I'm not sure what it's called, like you'll put the magazine in, and for like a handgun there's the thing that flips back. I'm not sure what that's called, and here you need to just pull a handle back. I guess it's on almost every single gun. Please let me know in the comments if you know what that is. But you just flip something back. You can kind of like make him do that, and then he goes back to shooting. Then once he's done, rinse and repeat. You make him grab the mag here, and then you just kind of, yeah, like I said, kind of hard, but he basically pulls it out, and then so it's really cool. Like it's as if he has a mag, and here is the space where it is. It may look a little big and flimsy, but I did try my best. And if you don't like that, and plus you may run out of these pieces, if you really want to know what these are, I really am, hold on, let me see if I can focus in on it. I am, okay, it does not want to focus, sorry folks, there you go, just one little bit, there you go. It's like a sort of handle, and then there's an open space for, like I said, the like stick, baton pieces. They can fit in here, and basically you can attach them to a gun. Yeah, just use like that. But if, like I said, you run out or they're too flimsy, you can also use, one second, let me grab a different gun here. Okay, it's kind of falling apart. Let me use another one. You can use this piece over here, the handle piece, if you will, or like some kind of a wrench. There is an actual wrench piece, but I'm kind of like trying to make references here. Basically, you can attach this, and it's also, if you want, an easier way for him to hold something, so it looks more like he's using an actual gun here. So there, look, he's shooting over here. And then what you want, if you want, you can animate this as the magazine, and you, whoops, that he took both parts of the gun here. Okay, I'm using both handles here. This part is, of course, where he holds the gun, where the trigger is. But here you can just simply make it look like he's taking out the mag. Here he drops it, and then he flips it back. So hold on. Again, these parts are a little hard to get out. Apologies, and this video is going to be way longer than it needs to be. There, like this. He takes it out, drops it, whatever you want to do. Then he flips a new one in, lets that go for a second, cocks it back in, and then starts shooting again. And there, yeah, I just wanted to share that idea. I incorporated that myself. I swear I have never seen like people who make custom minifigure sized guns. They haven't done this. I'm not praising myself, I'm just saying I came up with the idea. And hey, you can do the same thing for handguns if you want. Well, you can't really flip it back into place, but if you want, let me just grab a piece here. Here you can just, so this is like a regular sized mag. Basically, if you want, you can make him take out the mag by hand, or just like I said, he flips it. You can animate him flipping to the side. It drops out. He grabs another one. You may have to stretch his, like take his arm out, and then because he needs to kind of like move over to the side. But basically, you can animate him putting the gun in, and then with a quick animation, like he's so you're placing the mag in, and then usually you put it in, and then you tap your hand like that. Basically, if you want, you can make a quick magic frame where he does that, and then it disappears, so it looks like he put it into the slot, basically. And the final trick, like I said, is to pull the thing back. So he just, again, you may want to, oh crap, you may want to stretch his hand. Hold on, let me see if it looks better if I switch. Ah, yeah, there you go. So if you put his hand backwards in a magic frame, there you go. And then you can make him quickly do that if you want. Magic cock, or the cocking, okay, sorry, it's not what I meant, you know what I mean. And then keeps firing. So that is kind of my small tutorial on how to make it look like there are actual mags being put in and taken out of handguns and machine guns. And this was kind of a small update on the LEGO Iron Man Armored Adventures video. It's still very early in development, and I'm quite sorry. I just don't have that big, I wouldn't say like motivation. It's just maybe not as big of an initiative. I do focus on other things, but like mostly in my spare time, and when I'm not focused on anything else, I try and focus on this. And again, the little details, tidying up and everything takes a little bit, and I'm just preparing lots of city moments, and I'm thinking about how the video will go. So enough rambling. I hope you enjoyed this small little video here. I just felt like filming this. This is 10 minutes. I expected this to be like 5 minutes or less. I'm really sorry. I just tried to show off the minifigures. Hopefully you still enjoyed. This was, well, I already explained how to put mags, make it look like there are mags going into the guns. You can use these pieces for the mags. Yeah, guys, hope this helped you animators out there. Have a wonderful morning, day, evening, whichever. Make sure you blast that like and subscribe button. Peace out, guys. See you next time.